What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another trade breakdown video. This trade breakdown is going to be our setup that I saw on, I think it was July 30th, and it was a decent move. Now, with this particular trade breakdown, we're going to implement the new way that I look at setups on the 1 hour, and that's using the volume area profile to help filter out my trades. All right, so as always, I post my analysis before entry every beginning of the week, and here's the trade breakdown that I always share on Instagram. All right, let's get into it. Let's do the trade breakdown in 5 minutes or less. Start the clock. All right, so as always, go to the weekly. We start with Hikanashi first. All right, so we go with our most recent pivot, which is right here. The low of the weekly. We go to the daily. All right, if you pay attention to the market structure video that I made on the higher time frame, you see that this low didn't close below, but it only swept. So when we focus on the daily, you can still see the most recent pivot still going in a bullish direction. So that is where we'll focus on the daily pivot. And daily pivots, 1 hour structure. So let's go to the 1 hour. All right, we always follow the change of character based on whichever high or low gets taken in the bullish or bearish setting, whichever happens first. So this is our lowest point. This is the most recent change of character. Price did slightly break or close above this support and resistance level, so we got to pull back right after. So this is our new high. And now we are waiting on a pullback. There we go. Here is our valid pullback, which means that this is our new high. Oh. All right. So now we are going to use our range tolerance tool for the Fibonacci level. And we're just waiting on price to react at this level. Perfect, we got a tap. Now, before we get into an execution or entry, we need to apply our range tool. And as you can see, the point of control is way down here at the bottom of the last bullish move. So price is still respecting the point of control. So now it's time to look for entries. All right, so as we can see, this is the last bearish candle that closed over 70%. So that's a strong bearish candle. Unless something changes, I'm looking to take an entry right here. Oh, there we are. There's where we took our entry. Have a long position here. Cover this low. And I'm aiming to this extension level at 34167. All right, and watch price ride out. And just like that, target was hit. Same thing as always. Structure over anatomy, execution. All right, good luck on your trading. See you on the next one.